Hello, little friends. I'm Bunny. Today, we're going to learn our body parts with fun yoga. Stay until the end because I have a special bunny body secret for you. Head. Touch your head. This is your head. Now let's do a yoga pose for our head. Ready? Eyes. Point to your eyes. These are your eyes. Now let's do a yoga pose for our eyes. Keep looking straight ahead. Ears. Touch your ears. These are your ears. Now let's do a yoga pose for our ears. Great listening. Nose. Touch your nose. This is your nose. Now let's do a yoga pose for our nose. Take a slow breath. Mouth. Touch your mouth. This is your mouth. Now let's do a yoga pose for our mouth. Big smile. Shoulders. Touch your shoulders. These are your shoulders. Now let's do a yoga pose for our shoulders. Elbows. Touch your elbows. These are your elbows. Now, let's do a yoga pose for our elbows. Hands. Show me your hands. These are your hands. Now let's do a yoga pose for our hands. Chest. Touch your chest. This is your chest. Now let's do a yoga pose for our chest. Hips. Touch your hips. These are your hips. Now let's do a yoga pose for our hips. Knees. Touch your knees. These are your knees. Now let's do a yoga pose for our knees. Feet. These are your feet. Now let's do a yoga pose for our feet. Wow, you stayed until the end. Here's today's bunny body secret. Your body has only one heart, but your calf muscles are called your second heart because they help push blood from your legs back to your heart when you walk, run, and jump. Keep moving, keep smiling, and see you in the next bunny yoga adventure. Bye-bye.